Okay, sorry for the late. Good morning. Are you hearing me? Sorry, I was busy in some office work. Then in today's class we have to discuss the objectives of business. Here economic objective completed, social human objective completed. Today in today's class we have to discuss national objectives of the business. Okay, human objective already completed. National objectives. Okay, in today's class we have to discuss the national objectives of the business. Okay, see, national objectives are those objectives under these every business have the responsibility to provide some essential for the growth of national economy. In India, we are seeing different types of businesses. Service businesses we are seeing, production businesses we are seeing, marketing businesses we are seeing lot of businesses in India. Every businesses have their own responsibility. Every businesses should contribute for the development of national economy. See, every businesses have the social responsibility. Here national objectives are nothing but these are the objectives. Under these objectives, businesses have the some responsibility for the growth of Indian economy. And every businesses of India should contribute for the growth of Indian economical condition. Which type of contributions are providing by the business? Those contributions will comes under the national objectives. ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ತುಂಬ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟಾಟಾ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇದೆ. ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟ್, ಅಮೆಝಾನ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬರೀ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್. National objectives are nothing but these are the responsibilities providing by every businesses to the for the growth of Indian economy. These are the contributions providing by every businesses for the growth of Indian economy. Which type of contributions the businesses are providing? Those contributions will comes under the head of national objectives. National objectives, for example, providing employment opportunities, providing revenue to the government, payment of tax to the government. ನೋಡಿ, providing employment opportunity is one type of national objective. Payment of tax to the Indian government is also one of the national objective. When businesses will pay more amount of tax, according to that the Indian economical condition will increases rapidly. When Indian people will get more amount of job opportunities from the business, according to that the income of Indian people will increases rapidly. According to that, the economical condition of India will increases. Means here, providing employment opportunities, payment of tax to the Indian government is a type of national objectives. Okay, national objectives ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ? ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತವೆ. ಆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ? ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಂಥ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸೇ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ, ಆವಾಗ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕಂದು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅವರು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್. ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, thank you. The first national objective of the business is creation of employment. Okay, this is one of the national objective. The businesses which are staying in India, the businesses which are running in India, those businesses should create employment opportunities. This is one type of national objective. Under this objective, the businesses running in India should create job opportunities. Creating job opportunities is one of the national objective. When more amount of job will create, according to that, the people of India will get more amount of employment opportunity. When people of India will get employment, according to that, their income will increases. When employees' income will increases, they will start to invest in different types of areas. When investment will increases, according to that, the Indian economical condition will increases rapidly. Creation of employment. One of the important national objective of business is to create opportunities for gainful employment of people. This can be achieved by establishing new business units, expanding market, widening distribution channel, etc. See, the jobs will create when new businesses will takes place. The jobs will create when businesses will expand their business transactions. When jobs will create, according to that, the Indian people will get more amount of job opportunities. When job opportunities they will get, their income will increases rapidly. That is why the first national objective of the business is creation of employment. See, how employment opportunities are creating? When new businesses will establish, according to that, new employment opportunities will create. And when businesses will expand their business transaction, in that situation also the employment opportunities will create. What are the benefits of creation of employments? The benefits are, when employment opportunities will create, the people of India will get more amount of job. When people of India will get the job, according to that, the people of India income will increases rapidly. When income will increases, the people of India starts to invest in different sources. When people of India will starts to invest in different sources, the Indian economical condition will increases rapidly. Okay, these are the situations taking under creation of employment. Okay, creation of employment ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಬ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಜಾಬ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಬ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ತನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಜಾಬ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜಾಬ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಬ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಜಾಬ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೋ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಶೇರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ವೆನ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. Okay, the good information provided by Rajendra. Your name displaying here, Rajendra. I don't know your real name. Suchit. Okay, Suchitra are given the effective information. When new businesses will take place, the job opportunities will create. When job opportunities will create, the Indian people will get more amount of job opportunities. When Indian people will get job opportunities, their income will increases rapidly. When income will increases, they will start to invest in different sources of the economy. Okay. Then anyone else? How job opportunities are creating? How job opportunities, employment opportunities are creating? Are you seeing the notes on your display? Okay, in notes only there is a information. When new business units will take place, when businesses will expand, markets, widening distribution channels. Okay, when new businesses will take place, when existing business will expand their business transaction, when widening distribution of channel will increases, according to that the job opportunities will create. Then the second national objective is promotion of social justice. Here this is very important. Especially in India, promotion of social justice is very essential. Today we are seeing more amount of disparity in between men and women. Today we are seeing more amount of disparity between men and women in India. When business transactions will take place, the disparity in between men and women when business transactions will take place, the disparity between men and women will comes down rapidly. See, when businesses will provide the same preference, when businesses will provide equal preference to the women, here women also will becomes ready to incur more amount of effort for the development of business transaction. See, as a responsibility citizen, a businessman is expected to provide equal opportunities to all persons with whom he she deals. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, especially in India we are seeing more amount of disparity between men and women. When business transactions will take place, the disparity between men and women will comes down rapidly. How it is coming down rapidly? When businessman will provide equal opportunity, equal preference to the women. According to that, the disparity between men and women will comes down, and women will get here social justice very easily. Here, promotion of social justice is also one of the national objective of every business. Means here, the business should provide equal opportunity and equal preference to the women. The businesses should not do disparity between men and women. When businesses will provide equal opportunity, the disparity between men and women will comes down, and women also will provide more amount of effort for the growth of your business transaction. This is the only solution to remove disparity between men and women. Disparity ಅಂದರೆ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಮೆನ್ ಮತ್ತು ವುಮೆನ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಗಳು ಏನಿದೆ? ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್, ನಾವು ಈಗ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ಕೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವುಮೆನ್ ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಯಿತು, ಜಾಬ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಲೀವ್. ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ ರಜೆ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮೆನ್ ತುಂಬ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ವುಮೆನ್ಗೆ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಥರ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿ ಆದರೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ವುಮೆನ್ಗೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವುಮೆನ್ಗೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬೈ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ವೆನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ವಿಲ್ provide equal opportunity and equal preference to the women at the time of recruitment, at the time of promotion, at the time of providing one particular responsibility. When businesses will provide equal preference, according to that, the social justice in India will promote rapidly. Here, promotion of social justice is also one of the national objective. Under this, the businesses are removing the disparity taking place between men and women by providing equal preference. Here, promotion of social justice is nothing but the businesses are removing the disparity taking place between men and women by providing equal opportunity and equal preference is known as promotion of social justice. When women will get equal preference, and when women will get equal preference, she getting social justice. The social justice will promote by the help of business, by the help of businesses, because we are seeing the lot of women are working in private company. Today we are seeing more amount of women are working in private company. Because of why? The businesses are providing equal opportunity. The businesses are providing equal preference. That is the reason today women getting more amount of job opportunity, and also the businesses removing the disparity between men and women. When disparity will remove, according to that the women will get social justice. Here the promotion of social justice is one of the national objective. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸಾರಿ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ವುಮೆನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಹೌ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಲ್ ಹೌ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಬೈ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್? Can anyone tell me how social justice is promoting by businesses? By okay, okay, to removing disparity. Okay, make it continue. Okay, providing equal opportunities. By providing equal opportunities, businesses are providing social justice. Then Rakshita. Okay, when businesses will provide equal preference, then only women will get social justice easily. Then Rakshita, can you explain how social justice will promote by business? Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Then anyone? I am screening. On the screen you are seeing R, small letter R. Can you explain? Rakshat, Rakshat V. Rakshat V. Can you explain how social justice? Hmm. Okay.